So in this video, I'll be showing you guys why I believe YouTube is a numbers game. So I'll be showing you exactly with proof why I believe so, and so that you can grow your channel to millions of subs, create impact, make money, and live a great life. So if you like the things that I mentioned, stick till the very end to find out more about it. So yeah, without any further ado, let's begin. So the first channel that I want to talk to you about is Mr. Beast. So Mr. Beast has around like 848 videos and he has grown to 366 million subs. So if you look at when he started his YouTube channel, it was around February of 2012 and he created his first piece of content around 13 years ago. So if you can see the videos that he created, like the videos that get views right now is like 134 million, 94 million, 84 million, and the videos that are older, he has around 1.5 million and 500k. If you scroll a little longer, 196, 200k, 100k. Compared to now, he is getting like compare it to now, where he is getting like 100 million views per video. Back in the time, he used to get 100k views, 670. I'm not saying that's bad, but compare it to right now. The views is generating right now. It's not that great. Let's look at another channel that I want to share. Uh, Alex Amosi. So he has around 3.4k videos on his channel, and he has grown to around 3.16 million subs. If you look at when he started his channel, he started around 4th of Jan 2009, and the first video that he created is 6 years ago. So if you look at his channel, the views that he's getting right now is around 71k, 200k views, then 500k views, 283k views, 1.3 million views. And compare it to the older videos that are on his channel, 39k views, then 13k views. Some are like 150k views, which are good. Then 4.7k, 1.3k, 9.8k, 15k. So you can see a difference. Also, if you know Alex Amosi, you might have come across his videos like 1 year ago or 5 to 6 months ago. But he started creating his channel like 6 years ago. So why didn't you come across this video 6 years ago? Why right now? It's just because he was consistent with his channel. If you look at Mr. Beast, his older videos, he started creating his videos 13 years ago. So why didn't you come across his videos like 13 years ago? Why right now? Why like 3, 4 years ago you came across his videos and you liked his videos? Let's look at another channel, MKBHD, Marcus Brownlee. He has around 1.7k videos, 1700 videos on his channel, and he has around 19.8 million subs. If you look at when he started his channel, he started around March of 2008, and his first piece of content was around 16 years ago. So the views that he got on his channel is like 4.9 million. Oh, that's pretty great. 80k views, 26k views, 24k views, and compare it to right now, is getting 3.2. And 2 days ago, 2 million views, 3.7 million views, 5 million views, 5.1, 3.9. Also, did you come across his videos like when 16 years ago? Or did you come across his videos like 3, 4, 5 years ago when his channel was completely booming and he was getting millions of subs on his channel? Right. You came across his videos right now. You didn't came across his videos like 16 years ago. It's the same for you. When you're creating your channel, I just want to share this compounding graph. No one knows about you. No one knows about what you're creating, what is your channel really about, and you are also just completely unknown of what your channel is about and all that kind of stuff. Initially, you have to put in the work. You have to stay consistently. You have to stay consistent and consistently put in the work. You will get 0 views, and somewhere you'll get 10 views, 20 views. You'll see progress. And again, it will go to zero, back to zero, 20 views, 30 views. And after the breaking point, after putting in enough effort into your channel, after putting in uh, enough work into your channel, it will start exponentially growing. But this initial phase of like zero, you have to stay with it. You have to consistently post content. That's how you grow on YouTube. YouTube is an exponential game. To win on YouTube, you have to continuously put in the work up until the work is enough, the work is sufficient enough so that you can see exponential growth. So if I pull up a regular YouTube graph of a channel, you can see that initially there are like 0 views, completely 0 views. Then initially you can see a little bump here. That's like 100 views or 1000 views. And then there's completely zero views, 0 views. And after posting content regularly for 2 years, you see some growth, little growth, and then you see exponential growth. That's how YouTube is. Just have to stay consistent enough to let those compounding effects work for you instead of against you. And that's how you grow on YouTube. And then after those initial like success, it's all just exponential. You just have to stick to it till the very end. That's YouTube. That's how you grow on YouTube. So yeah, if this video was valuable, I just want you to subscribe and share it to someone who really needs it. That's all I ask from you guys, from you. Yeah, hope this video helps and take care.